Fast cheesecake. Start by preheating the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then grease a 22 centimetre springform pan. Place a 30 centimetre by 40 centimetre sheet of baking paper on a clean work surface and lightly spray with cooking oil. Top with another sheet of baking paper, turning 90 degrees to create a large cross. Line the prepared pan with the paper cross, pleating and folding the sides to fit. Place on a rimmed baking tray. Place the cream cheese and sugar in a bowl of an electric mixer and beat until the sugar dissolves and the mixture is very smooth. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Continue beating until the mixture is smooth and silky. While the motor is running, gradually add the cream in a thin, steady stream. Continue beating until smooth. Add the salt and vanilla and beat till combined. Next, sift the flour over the cream cheese mixture and beat on low speed until smooth and just combined. Pour into the prepared pan and smooth the surface. Pop in the oven and bake for 1 hour until the cheesecake is golden brown and puffed. Set aside to cool completely, then pop in the fridge for 2 hours to chill. Serve the cheesecake chilled or bring to room temperature for a softer texture. Cut into wedges to serve.